Fall's probably my favorite season, not just because my birthday's around the corner. Your boy's turning 27 on October 1st. Aside of that, the weather's not too bad. It's time to put a hoodie on with some cargos. It's not too cold, not too hot. We start wearing some more earthy tones. I'm actually gonna do a video on trends I feel like are gonna pop off this fall, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that. In this video, I'm gonna show y'all some of the kicks I plan to wear this fall. Sometime in fall, I'll do a current sneaker rotation to see if I actually made it happen. But we got a tower of sneakers here, some kicks behind me. If y'all end up enjoying this video, leave a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna be picking the winner for the Black Toe Jordan 1 giveaway ASAP. Make sure y'all stay tuned on the videos, and I'm actually gonna do a new giveaway soon. Stay tuned for that. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like, bro. It definitely means more than you would ever imagine. First sneaker I plan to wear this fall is the washed black Jordan 1s. I still haven't thrown a fit together with these, so I'm excited to wear them this fall. I love the tones on them, and I feel like it's literally a perfect fall sneaker, so it's gonna be one of my most worn Jordan 1s this fall. Another Jordan 1 I plan to wear is the Palomino 1s. This is literally a fall sneaker. These released not too long ago, so I definitely want to get some miles in with the Palomino 1s. The earthy tones that we're gonna be wearing a lot this fall. They're actually gonna be doing a light mocha version for 2024, which is basically the original mochas with a lighter tone on the back. At this point, they're giving us every flavor of coffee. This pair is a must for fall time. You can low-key pick them up at a pretty good price right now. It's the perfect time to buy sneakers. I'm gonna make a video on that shit soon. I want to have a hyped alternative to every model just in case I'm trying to step out, so the Black Phantom Travis Jordan 1 lows definitely on my list for this fall. Can't go wrong with the all black sneaker for fall time. We're gonna be wearing a lot of darker tones, which I will get into in my fall trends video. These are gonna be essential for me this fall. Whenever I'm trying to throw together a little spiffy fit but still with some hype, I could throw these on. Definitely gonna get a lot of love with these. I like these way more than I did when I saw the pictures. In hand, they're a banger, bro. Trust me. Getting away from Jordan 1s, the next sneaker is the Yeezy 750 Pirate Black colorway. Honestly, if these restock, I would love it in any color, bro. I love these shoes so much. It was one of my grails, so when I had the opportunity to pick these up at the price I did, it was a no-brainer. This is definitely a more fall-y shoe considering that it's all black. Higher cut on these, so you could definitely wear with some cargos, some nice denim. Can't go wrong with 750s. I haven't really worn these yet. Literally wore them one time to do the photo shoot for my brand. That was probably for like an hour or two, nothing too crazy. I'm excited to pull these out though. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite Yeezy model. This might be it for me, if not top two. I love the 700s, but these 750s are unbeatable. Definitely a grail. You can never go wrong with the Jordan 7 Chambray. This is almost like the perfect fall sneaker. You got a little bit of color on them, but it's still predominantly a black sneaker. I love the way these fit. I'm glad I picked these up actually. This was a really good release in my opinion. I don't really care if they go for much. They're low-key going under retail, but it's still a beautiful sneaker. I'm actually super excited for the playoff 8s. I couldn't get my hands on the shock drop, but we still got an early pair on the way, so make sure y'all subscribe. I'm gonna do an early review for those. Chambray 7s, definitely a must for me this fall. This pair's a banger. I low-key haven't showed these to y'all yet. I got a review dropping on them soon. This is the In Case We Going Out pair right here, the Let Me Stunt 2000s Rick Owens mainline Ramones. I did decide to get the lows. Shout out to Bae for getting me these for our anniversary. I haven't worn them yet, and they're sexy, bro. The Ramones was a sneaker that I've been talking about for so long. Finally got them. I definitely plan to wear these, but it's one of those things where it's the right place at the right time type shit. Did get the tabs to put on the bottom just so the soles don't get wasted on these. If you take care of your Ramones, they'll last you forever. That's why I haven't worn them yet. I definitely want to set these up for success type shit because I know I'm gonna keep these for life, bro. I'm excited to have these in the collection, and I definitely plan to wear them this fall. It just has to be right time, right place type shit, but I love them. Ramon mainline lows, beautiful sneaker. Vanta 700s low-key became one of my go-tos. Brought these with me to Disney. I wore these through the summer. Definitely plan to continue wearing these through the fall. It's probably one of my most worn sneakers in the collection since I bought them, and you can't even tell, bro. That's why I love these so much. Yeezy 700s are probably top 3 sneaker that I wear the most. I'm actually debating on doubling up on the Wave Runners since they're never releasing again. It's one of those things where you should do it now before you can't. Vanta's gonna be in the rotation heavy though. Obviously Jordan 4s ain't going nowhere. This fall I have a couple on my roster. Armanier 4s definitely being one of them. I love the colors on this, and I always felt like this was a more fall-y sneaker. sneaker. Considering the tone that's on here, the plum is a deep burgundy that I always felt would look super nice in fall. So I'm excited to pull these out. And if I'm just hanging around, I'm gonna pull out Thunder 4s. A lot of people slept, and I don't know why. We're not gonna see these for a minute. This pair hasn't even touched my feet yet, but trust this fall, they're definitely gonna get worn. I'm the type of person that lets everybody else beat their sneakers up. I let my shits just chill in the box for a little bit. When everybody's shit start getting a little cooked, that's when I pull out my pair type shit. I guess that's kind of privileged because I have a bunch of other sneakers I could wear. Time for these is coming, so I'm actually excited to see what I could wear these with. Thunder 4s was always one of my favorite 4s. We just need military blues coming soon. Toro 4s, I'll take those too. Fear 4s, give me those. Thunder 4 is definitely gonna be in the lineup though. I'll be doing myself a disservice if I didn't speak about the Yuto Horigome Dunks. This is probably one of my favorite sneakers in the collection, and it's crazy that this has me going down the rabbit hole of SBs, bro. I don't even think I own any SBs. When I showed these on the channel, I said I own 2 more, but I don't even think those are SBs. I think they're just regular dunks. I love what they did with the Yuto Horigome dunks. I feel like you could wear these year round simply because it does have colors on it, but they're kind of washed out. I don't know what it is about this SB. I love them, bro. It low-key makes me want to pick up more SBs. Not a lot of sneakers do that where I get one and then I'm like, yo, I gotta get more. Definitely gonna be pulling these out this fall. Don't be shocked if you see a bunch more SBs coming into the collection. It's crazy that it took me this long. Maybe it's just because these are the ones, bro. Definitely the ones. When I think of fall, I think of Jordan 12s. I remember back in the day, I'd be wearing my flu games, my new bucks all through the winter, bro. It's not gonna change this year. Playoff 12s definitely getting some love. As soon as we start seeing some snow, heavier weather, I definitely love freaking the 12s. I even think I'm gonna pull out my Flint 13s this year. Didn't really give those too much love last year, but I'm turning a new leaf, folks. I'm gonna start wearing every sneaker I have because at the end of the day, once we're gone, what's the point of having these shits? These playoff 12s getting freaked this fall. Another perfect fall sneaker is the Bad Bunny Forums. This is a pair I loved from the first time I saw it. I low-key want to pick up some campuses. They're not even going for much these days. I just love that whole chunky aesthetic that the sneaker gives off. And if you guys know any other chunky sneakers like this, like almost like a fat skateboarding Zoo York DC back in the day type sneaker, let me know in the comments. I know I saw the Vans New Schools, which I was debating on picking up, but I kind of want something a little more exclusive, if that makes sense. For now, I'm definitely freaking my Bad Bunny Forums. So let me know what chunky sneaker y'all would recommend in the comments. These are gonna be heavy in my rotation this fall as well. I am also gonna try to wear more baggier pants, so I feel like a sneaker like this would look perfect with it. What's a rotation video without a pair of New Balance 2002 Rs? We have the protection pack pair that I actually been wearing a lot, bro. I don't even know if y'all could tell, but I need a new pair of these. I've been talking about it for a minute, but I might go ahead and finally pull the trigger on the lighter gray pair. Culture Kings recently sent me 2 new pairs as well, which y'all will be seeing that video shortly. This gray and black pair and this earth tone pair with the gray on the back. Definitely gonna get some wear this fall time. They're literally fall colorways in my opinion. So yeah, 2002 Rs are still prevalent in my rotation. There's one more model that's gonna be heavy in my rotation this fall. Y'all know I'm one of those OG Jordan heads, so the 11s are a must whenever fall time comes around. I feel like last year I didn't really give them too much love. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I've been looking at these recently and I don't feel like this is a good summer sneaker since they are a little higher cut. For fall, best believe the Concords, the Breads, the Space Jams, Cool Grays, Cherries, all of those getting pulled out this fall for sure. Let me know in the comments how you guys feel about 11s. I know for a while they were really popular. Nowadays they're not really as popular. As y'all know, I don't really care. I wear what I like and I like what I wear type shit. So they're definitely gonna get freaked by me this fall. Also, are you guys gonna pick up the DMPs? They're definitely a solid pair, but do I need them considering that I already have Concords? That's a decision that I'm gonna have to make as the release gets closer. That pretty much does it for this video. I showed y'all a lot of pairs that I plan to wear this fall. Pretty sure not everything I listed in this video will get worn. That's at least what I'm aiming for. If y'all enjoyed this video, leave a like down below, subscribe to the channel for more content, more early reviews, fashion trends video, more sneaker content on the way. Supreme is still here and there, you feel me? I'm doing my thing. I appreciate y'all for riding out with me and supporting along the way. Definitely means so much, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna pick the winner for the Jordan 1 Black Toe Lows ASAP, so so make sure y'all stay subbed so you don't miss it. New giveaway coming soon. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Have a great rest of your day, night, morning, whenever you watching, and make sure you spend some time with your loved ones, because we don't know how much time we got left. We got to make the best of it while it's here. All that being said though, I'm gonna catch y'all in one of these two videos, because that's what YouTube is recommending you to watch based on your history, bro. They know what you doing when your room is dark. So watch one of these two videos and I'll catch you there. Peace.